Hello everyone, welcome to our Sandbus tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of blacklisting domains in Sandbuzz. Well, also explain what blacklisting is and why it's important for maintaining the health of your sender's domain. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you'll get a question that what is domain blacklisting? Basically, domain blacklisting is the process of preventing your email outreach from the targeting specific domains. This means that any email addresses associated with these domains will be excluded from your campaigns. Then, why blacklisting is important? Blacklisting domains helps to maintain the health of your sender's domain in a several ways. So, just for like avoiding spam tabs, improving your deliverability, and also it will help you to get the targeted outreach. So I'll show you a step-by-step guide to blacklisting domain in Sandbuzz. First of all, you have to log into your Sandbuzz account. After logging to your Sandbuzz account, you have to go to your settings. Once you go to the settings, then you have to look for the option of blacklist domain. So here we are. Here is the option for blacklist domain. So after selecting blacklist domain, there is a menu in front of you. In that menu, you have to add domain. So for just an example, I am adding a domain which I want to block. That's it. It will show you in the list of blocked domains. You can review and manage your blocked listed domains at any time. Simply return to the blacklist domains sections to view the list. To remove a domain from the blacklist, click on the delete icon or a cancel icon to the domain name and save your changes. That's how to blacklist domains in Sandbuzz and essential steps to maintain the health of your sender's domain and ensuring your email campaigns are as effective as possible. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching. Happy emailing with Sandbuzz.